Yeah, today I'm going to explain about the automatic school bell. Uh, this is the control panel and this is the gong bell. We have connected it. The wiring is very simple. The manual will also be provided, and it works on normal 220 volt AC. And this is the DC adapter for the control panel, and you can connect this very easily. And to set up the system, to set up the control panel, we press the menu button, and since we have entered the password, if I press the menu button, it goes into settings, and if I press 1, it asks me, because I'm configuring the settings, it is asking me for the password, and the password is by default 123456780, and I'm pressing enter. And there are various options: 1 2 3 seasons, list of holidays, connectivity. The most important one is the seasons, so I'm pressing 1. And there is summer season, I'm pressing 1. And here we can configure the timings of the system. Now in the system, like, we have to see what is the current time. It is 4:17, so I am setting up a time 1 minute after. So uh, I'm again going inside the menu, and I'm quickly going to enter the password. And I'm pressing seasons, summer season, and I am just, it was 4:17, so I'm making it 4:18. To make it 4:18, see, this is I just have to edit 1618, and I'm done. I've just selected some bell types, and yes, yes. So this is done, and if I scroll for the bell number 1, it is 4:18. And if I come out of the menu, it's 4:18 already. I think I should have to enter one more, 4:20 it should be, because while setting it up, I got a bit delayed. It's 2 second on and 1 second off, and the cycles are 2 cycles. So like this we can set it up. So it is now 16:20. The bell number 1 is 16:20, and here is the working days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You can configure it yes, no, or whatever. Like, mostly it is Sunday off. So to make Sunday off, we can press 1, and for the Sunday off, so it will be off and on a toggle basis. And I'm done, and I'm coming out of the menu, and it is 4:19 already. So within 25 seconds time, or like 30 seconds time, the bell should start ringing. So we are just going to focus it on, and let's wait for the bell to ring. We are just 6 seconds away. See, the wire has gone off, so that is why the bell has stopped ringing. So this is how it works. And thanks for watching.